Gentlemen, look around this room. We are family. This court is our home, and you're not just playing for yourselves. So we are going to come together as brothers and leave a legacy of which a family can be proud. We will support each other. Together, this family will succeed because this...
Look, if you had one shot, one opportunity to seize everything you ever wanted in one moment, would you capture it? Or just let it slip? Yo.
Yeah, for those of you that want to know what we're all about, it's like this, y'all. This is 10% luck, 20% skill, 15% concentrated power of will, 5% pleasure, 50% pain, and 100% reason to remember the name. He doesn't need his name up in lights, he just wants to be heard, whether it's the beat of the mic. He feels so unlike everybody else, alone, in spite of the fact that some people still think that they know him. But he knows the code. It's not about the salary, it's all about reality and making some noise, making a story, making sure his click stays up. That means when he puts it down, Tox picking it up. Let's go.
Who the hell is he anyway? He never really talks much, never concerned with status, but still leaving him starstruck. Humble through opportunities given despite the fact that many misjudge him cause he makes a living from writing raps. Put it together himself, now the picture connects. Never asking for someone's help or to get some respect. He's only focused on what he wrote. His will is beyond reach, and now it all unfolds, the skill of an artist. This is 20% skill, 80% fear, be 100% clear, cause Ryu was ill. Who would've thought he'd be the one that set the West in flames? And I heard him wreck it with the Crystal Method, name of the game.
Yo, come on, you know how we do. Come on, yeah, man. Yo, this is my house. Whose house? My house. Whose house? My court, my house. This is whose team? My team. Whose team? My dream, my team. This is whose house? My house. Whose house? My court, my house. This is whose team? My team. Whose team? My dream, my team. Cause I'm the first one in the gym, last one out the gym. So when it's game time, baby, I expect to win. When I don't, everybody like, where you been? I'm in the sky so high, no oxygen. It's a bird, it's a plane, no, it's Dwight Howard. Touch the cloud, make it rain like you just showered. I got 1 hour just to go hard. I go home, I go hard, then go home. I'm no coward. This is my house, my court, my team, my park, my heart, my life, my dream. I got 1 shot, 4 fouls, 1 tap, clock still ticking, and there's no time else left. I paint the picture like Sony. If you want water, picture Kobe shooting shots in the 4th quarter. I cross over like AI. May I please be voted most valuable player? This is my house. Whose house? My house. Whose house? My court, my house. This is whose team? My team. Whose team? My dream, my team. This is whose house? My house. Whose house? My court, my house. This is whose team? My team. Whose team? My dream, my team. The clock's still ticking. Who the next Jordan? Who not scared when Shaq coming up towards him? Who guards him? Who scores the most often? Dwayne Wade, MIA, the heat scorching. This is more than a game, it's a lifestyle. For my team, I can say that it's worthwhile. Got the coach on a bench like he's Rick Brady. Please pardon his French, he is so crazy. I ball like Chris Paul, I brawl like I'm ready for liftoff. I'm alright, I score like Paul Pierce. I'm here, ready for them plays of the year. Yeah, let's get one more thing clear, one more ring before I get up out here. We know the rules of the game, but still wanna be the king like King James. This is my house. Whose house? My house. Whose house? My court, my house. This is whose team? My team. Whose team? My dream, my team. This is
Witam wszystkich na finałach. Życzę wszystkim powodzenia.
Black stripe, yellow paint. I hear they scared of it, but them pros ain't.
Моя игра, она мне принадлежит, ты таким же, как и я. Моя игра, здесь правила одни и цель одна.
Galbūt per daug ir per ilgai mes kariavom. Galbūt per ilgai kartojam žodį šlavę. Gal kartais per daug iš kitų reikalavom ir kartais per tyliai mes norėjom nugalėt. Bet aš ten buvau laimingas pergalės dainas dainavau, iškėlęs du pirštus į dangų laikiau, nes nugalėtojų jau niekas neteis, juos akmens nepaleis, viskas buvo seniai. Tu per ilgai, per ramiai gyvenai, nes mano gyvas kraujas vėl atsigaus, kaip atsigauna žolė po gero lietaus. Nesikankink dėl medalio, bet verta kovot lygiai galo dėl savo garbės. Pabandom iš naujo, nors esam pasauly tik 3 milijonai. Neliek savo kraujo dėl aukso, nes būsi legenda, kol nepraradom vilties, net jeigu ir vėl. Tik per klaidą netapome čempionai. Ir aš 1000 kartų sakiau savo draugui, mes geri, mes galingi, mes šiandien laimėsim, jis sakė ne velnio. Ir jis 1000 kartų buvo teisus, bet geriau negyvent, negu visai netikėt. Nenuleidžiam galvos, net jeigu mums nesiseka 9 kartus iš eilės. Juk mes ne iš tų, kur pralaimi dar nenugalėti. Ir nebelieka jau baimės, kada viskas nurimo ir baigės. Gali numirti iš nevilties ar iš laimės, net jei žaidi tik šachmatais arba dartais. Juk būna, kad kartais lieki vienas be draugo ir jauti, jog kažkas tave saugo. Mes per vieną naktį didelį užaugom ir mes galingi iš naujo. Nesikankink dėl medalio, bet verta kovot lygiai galo dėl savo garbės. Pabandom iš naujo, nors esam pasauly tik 3 milijonai.
3 punktów zwyciężył Albert Poloński. Konkurs trio po bardzo wyświętnej walce i po niesamowitym rzucie zwycięża Team BW i Kasia. 3. miejsce drużyna Burza. 2. miejsce zajmuje drużyna BW2. 1. miejsce Türkman. Karpacki 2015. Najlepszym graczem jest przyznany taniec w omówieniu przez sekretariat, przez przedstawicieli drużyn. Zwycięża Wiator!
Słowianie wiemy jak nasze na nas działa. Lubimy jak poruszasz tym co mama w plenach dała. To jest ta gorąca krew. To jest nasz słowiański ser. My Słowianki wiemy jak użyć mowy ciała. Wiemy jak poruszać tym co mama w plenach dała. To jest ta słowiańska krew. To jest ta uroda i wdzięk. Mamy to czego nie ma nikt inny. Cenimy ten naturalny kształt. A nasze panie nie mają kompleksów, bo nie mają powodów ich mieć. A w teledysku nie ma podtekstów. Jak nie wierzysz to pojedź na wieś. My Słowianie wiemy jak nasze na nas działa. Lubimy jak poruszasz tym co mama w plenach dała. To jest ta gorąca krew. To jest nasz. My wiemy jak. My wiemy jak.
Dziękujemy wszystkim. Dziękuję.
Ярко до меня повратила, нашим przyjaźń umocniła. Opuśćmy ten krąg, nie rozrywając krąg.